In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money on Instagram. So this video is going to be a complete tutorial on how to make money on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do before you can make money on Instagram is normally you need to have an Instagram account. Okay, you need to have an Instagram account. As you can see here, I just create one basic Instagram account. The account just have 30 followers. Okay, so you need an Instagram account before you can make money with this method. Okay. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down below so that I can improve my video in the future, okay? And if you stay with me from beginning to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can make more money than what I'm going to show you. So stay with me from the beginning to this video so that I'll show you more how you can earn more on this method okay, today. So the first thing you need to do, you have an Instagram account. When I have an Instagram account, just go and create basic one. You don't need to have followers like that. This method that I'm going to show you is very, very cool, okay? So after you create your Instagram account, the next website you need to go is Fiverr.com. Okay, just go to Fiverr.com and not worry. All of the links that we use in this video, I'm going to link it in the description down below. Okay, I'm going to link it in the description down below. Okay, so go to Fiverr, just type in Instagram growth. Okay, go to Fiverr, just type in Instagram growth. Okay, as you can see here, all these people are going Instagram account. Okay, as you can see, especially this person is saying that I will be your professional Instagram marketer and increase organic followers. Okay, so these people now, they are growing people Instagram account. Okay, they are growing people Instagram account, and these people they use some tools in order for them to grow people Instagram account. So all you are going to do now, we are not going to be buying any gig. We are not going to be buying anything or selling anything here. We are here just to make the money. Okay, as you can see here, all of these people they have almost how they are many. There are so many that are selling this gig here. There are many of them. As you see here, they have almost 8,000 results right here. They have 8,000 people that are searching this. So as you can see, they have plenty of people to reach on. Okay, they have plenty of people that you can contact. And then the second step that you need to take is to go to this website right here. It's called Kickstart.co. Okay, don't worry, all of the websites that I'm showing right here, I'm going to leave it in this description down below, so you don't need to go and Google them. All you have to do is just click the link below to this video, and it will bring you straight to all the website that we use, okay? As you can see here, this website, what this website does is that they help people get real Instagram followers. As you can see, get real Instagram followers using our powerful growth tool, okay? So these people now, this tool now is helping people, it's helping businesses and people that are interested in growing their account to get more followers. As you can see, so all I want to do now is to scroll down to this web page. Because the way you are going to make money with this method is affiliate marketing. Because affiliate marketing is the best way to earn money right now. Okay, as you can see here, just click on here where it says affiliate. Then this, after you click on where it says affiliate, then you just go and sign up. It's very, very simple. Okay, it's very, very simple. You just go and sign up as an affiliate. Okay, as you can see, make money with Kickstart. Okay, see whether you are happy Kickstart customer or a new partner making to spread the word on our software and earn some money, you are in the right place, okay? As you can see, they are just telling that you can quickly earn money right here, okay? As you can see, and they offer a limited time discount, okay? So once people click on your link and they purchase the buying price plan, you're going to give them a discount, okay? So after you go to this website here called Kickstart.co, it's for you now to go on. After you have signed up as an affiliate, you have created your account and get your referral link. So that referral link now, you paste it on the notepad. If you just find something and paste it, or find a Google sheet or somewhere, then take that affiliate link, say, okay? After you click that affiliate link, say, then we now come here. As you can see, you have infinite people that you can reach. All you have to do is just contact them, and you are not going to be spying. You are not going to be like disturbing them. No, you are not going to be opening your sites to them on Fiverr, because if you want to give them your link on Fiverr will block the account and they're not going to give you back again. So there is it, okay? So all you have to do is just contact this person. Contact this person to contact them so that they can give their Instagram and their handle, okay? As you can see, I say that we are not going to be buying or selling anything here, okay? So all you have to do is just contact this person, okay? Contact this person, tell this person that the person should give you her Instagram handle, okay? Just tell her that you just want to see her Instagram, how they are doing before you can buy anything. All you have to do is that you just have to let her know that you want to buy, but you are not going to buy something. Just let her say, you can say along the line like, hey, for good communication, can you give me your Instagram account so that I can see how they are doing? Okay, as you can see, or else go and contact them. Just contact them, tell them that they should give you their Instagram accounts. You just contact them and let them give you their Instagram account. As you can see, you can just say that for easy communication, but easy communication, for easy communication, can you give you your Instagram account? Okay, just say that hide their Instagram account. Okay, just tell that person that you should give your Instagram account. As you can see, I said I don't say that this. I'm going to give you an idea what you can do. Okay, you can say that for easy communication. Can you give me your Instagram account? Then the person will say, okay, why will I give my Instagram account on all of that stuff? Then you just have to let the person know that you want to like grow your account so that you can chat to your Instagram account. So once that person have give you Instagram, this girl now have give you Instagram account. Okay, like here and she go hello bye. Then you put your Instagram account that you have created. That's why I see you must have an Instagram account with this method. You will go to your Instagram account and search that person here on the search bar. Okay, you search that person, then you contact that person. You contact that person telling them that you have a website here which is kickstart.co that can help her get more followers, because she's helping people get more followers. Okay, so you not all you have to do now, just use your knowledge and your head so that you can know how you can do, so that you can make her buy this software, because this software will make her more money, because we are helping her solving more problems. Okay, as you can see here, she can use this software to get great Instagram followers. Okay, and all you have to do is just contact her on Instagram, give her a link. But I'm not going to say that you are not just going to be spamming her link. No, make her understand that this tool will make her make more money and she will solve more problems, because this tool will get her great Instagram followers. Okay, because it's not bot, it's not robot followers, it's not fake followers. This tool here is very insane. It's very powerful. They can get the real Instagram followers from this tool right here. Okay, so all you have to do now, you have many people on Fiverr that you can contact. You can contact many people here on Fiverr. Tell them that, you want to grow your Instagram account. They should give you their Instagram name or their Instagram handle. Okay, so that you can go on Instagram and search them on the search bar. You can go here and search them. After they give their Instagram accounts, you can come here and search them on the search bar. Message them. Okay, you can message here. Just tell them that this tool here, I know about this. The more you know about this tool, the more you know how you can sell. As you can see, no spam, no fake followers, no bot, just pure organic growth, powered by our 48 artificial intelligence technology. Okay, all you have to do, you just have to sign up to the link. After they have signed up to the link, that is it. This tool here will do the sell it for you. Okay, as you can see, and they can try it for free. No, it's 7-day free trial. Okay, so you can just choose a plan and start using the software. The more they use the software, the more you are going to make money. Okay, and a little bonus tips that I tell you that you are going to make more money. Let me show you on another website again. As you can see here on this website is called Uplink. So as you can see here, get Instagram followers with targeted organic growth. So this tool also here would make them get more followers. This tool will help them grow people Instagram account. And a little bonus again, you cannot only get people on Fiverr, you can grow people on Upwork, people per hour, freelancer.com, and all of that. Okay, that is it. Now it's just for you to put in the work. This actually works. Okay, this actually works. Now go and put in the work. Message these people and sign up on Kickstart.co. Get to affiliate you. Go on Instagram. Message them. You just have to use your head. Message them. Tell them that this Kickstart will help them get more followers, and they're going to help more people. Now it's just for you to start putting the work, make sales, make money. And not forget, all of the website that we used in this video is going to be linked in the description down below. Just check the link in the description down below. All of the website that we use is going to be linked in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video.